Dynamics of Matter in a Unitary Relativistic Quantum Framework. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The matter dynamics as a positively defined density ρ of xi, T equals m times psi of xi, T squared was described and showed that, according to the general theory of relativity, such a distribution can be conceived only as a fragment of matter with a finite mass equal to a mass m0. As a characteristic of the matter dynamics, m is equal to m0, the matter quantization. The group velocities of the Fourier conjugate representations in the coordinate and momentum spaces describe the dynamics of a quantum particle in agreement with the Hamiltonian equations, unlike the Schrödinger representation which is in disagreement with these equations. Under the action of an external, non-gravitational field, the acceleration of the quantum matter has two components. 1. A component perpendicular to the velocity, given by the relativistic mechanical component of the time-dependent phase. And 2. A component given by the additional field terms of this phase. A free quantum particle is described by a non-dispersing wave function psi of xi and t, contrary to the solution of the Schrödinger equation. A coherent electromagnetic field, in resonance with a system of active quantum particles in a Fabry-Perot cavity, has a wave vector approximately proportional to the metric elements. As the resonance frequency is approximately constant, a gravitational wave can be detected by the transmission characteristics of an active Fabry-Perot cavity. In a constant gravitational field, a quantum particle undertakes a velocity and an acceleration, which, at the boundary of a black hole, are null absorption and evaporation processes at the boundary of a black hole arise only by gravitational perturbations. Important perturbations, significantly deforming the gravitational spherical symmetry of a black hole, are produced by strong nuclear and electromagnetic forces leading to the big matter concentrations of the celestial bodies. Generally, a quantum particle is described by a time-space volume, called a graviton, with a spin of 2, and a distribution of a specific matter in this volume, with a half-integer spin for fermions and an integer spin for bosons. A graviton Lagrangian is obtained as a curvature integral on a graviton volume, and a Hamiltonian tensor is obtained for the gravitational coordinates and velocities. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.